This 5-minute solution will show you how to change Twitch account profile picture. It's really very easy process to change Twitch account profile picture. First of all, open twitch.tv and make sure to sign into your Twitch account. Once done, click on your profile photo and click on Settings, and here select Profile and click on Update Profile Picture. But note one thing, that your profile picture must be in JPG, PNG or GIF and cannot exceed 10 megabyte. So click on Update Profile Picture, click on Upload Photo and select your new profile photo. And now you can crop the photo like this. Click on Save. And this is how we can change Twitch account profile photo. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.